Welcome back to the second box of the 4-box break. I think we'll do the limited next. It was factory sealed. Checklist, pack of cards, empty box. Pull the non-hits. We got Marshawn Lynch for the Seahawks. Here, we'll do this. Marshawn Lynch for the Seahawks, numbered 72 out of 499. Got Devery Henderson for the Saints, numbered 119 out of 499. We have a legend, Ronnie Lott for the Jets, numbered 494 out of 499. We have a Phenoms, Joe Webb for the Vikings, numbered 132 out of 499. We got a Phenom, Riley Cooper for the Eagles. This one's numbered 25 of 50. Nice low numbered card. On to the hits. We have a Jamal Charles Team Trademarks jersey for the Chiefs. This one's numbered 34 out of 100. So nice low number for the Chiefs. We have a Tom Brady Team Trademarks for the Patriots. This is numbered 95 out of 100. Nice low number Tom Brady jersey. We have a, very nice 3-color patch, Steven Jackson. Nice patch. This is numbered 12 of 15 for the Rams. Nice hit. I know your Rams are always looking for Sam Bradford, but can't complain about this one. It's nice. And then our last hit is a Draft Day Limited Signatures jersey, number 14. It's a redemption card. Pull out the limited. And figure out what this is. What is the Draft Day Limited Signatures? I can't find this. Legends, Material Phenoms, Limited, Trademark, Trading Team, Prime Signatures. Jumbo, Draft Day Limited Lids, Draft Day Player Combos, Draft Day. It is not on here, so, oh, nope, number 14. Number 14, Draft Day Limited Signatures, Jared Odrick. So, is that a Dolphin or Raven? I don't know, I'll double check and send it to whoever it's supposed to go to. But, there you go, we'll be right back, we'll do the next box.